Hi everyone, this is Dan the Creative Carpenter, but today I'm Dan the Careless Carpenter, and I'll show you why. It involves this miter saw and my finger. And what I'm going to do is a little stunt, something I learned a while back. I can actually stop the saw blade with my finger and hopefully get to keep my finger at the end. So here it is. Enjoy. Oh, and don't do this at home because it's really dangerous, and I'm a professional. And remember, kids, don't try this at home.